Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Like this, now me don't call your screen, me don't call your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside with nation Nigeria. The cocoa now be say the People's Democratic Party will be PDP. They don't extend an invitation to the former president of this our green white green country will be Nigeria, and this person are the one and only Goodluck Jonathan. Making contest for inside the 2027 presidential election under their umbrella. One countryman wey dey go by the name Ibrahim Abdullahi, he na the People's Democratic Party their deputy national publicity secretary. He na don come outside now dey yarn say the party wey be the PDP, they have been eagerly awaiting the former president's return for his second tenure. This man now wey be Ibrahim Abdullahi come dey yarn say the return of Goodluck Jonathan, it will be a welcome development considering the People's Democratic Party their significant role in shaping the leadership of this our green white green country will be Nigeria. Oga Ibrahim constantly yarn dey give the general public say all of them now they don dey talk about Oga Goodluck Jonathan. Their governors for inside the PDP don dey talk about am. Even the FCT minister wey be Yeso Wike don even talk about am. And wetin all of them dey talk be say Goodluck Jonathan na the best performer in his role, and he na product of the People's Democratic Party, and they are very much ready to argue about the matter. Even men and women like El-Rufai, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Dora Akunyili, Obi Ezekwesili, Akinwumi Adesina, Amina Mohammed, all these people now be pride of this our green white green country wey be Nigeria, and all of them na product of the People's Democratic Party. No be small matter like this, so my good people. You know say the PDP their deputy national publicity secretary will be Oga Ibrahim. He no stop there at all. He now come proceed further the summer warning they give Oga Goodluck Jonathan against what he described as the hypocrisy of the All Progressive Congress, and he can advise am so making they very much careful of the recent praise now where they come from individuals and groups where we don't criticize them before. And he constantly urge Oga Goodluck Jonathan to make him try as much as possible to remember how these people wey dey praise am now, they drag am before, how they been reduce am to nothing, and make him no let their praises sway am. Make him no let the sudden affection wey dey come from these men wey be don criticize am before come make am change in mind, or come make am dey get soft spot. And no be lie, my good people. You know say Anointed Lady TV be don give you reports before about the recent sightings of Goodluck Jonathan's presidential poster for 2027 elections for inside Kano State, and this poster now can spark speculations about his possible return to the political arena. This poster was very much masterminded by Team New Nigeria, and the future messages like Team New Nigeria 2027, the Goodluck Nigeria needs Dr. Goodluck Jonathan. So I believe say na based on this poster now why Oga Ibrahim come outside now dey yarn say make Goodluck Jonathan dey very much careful of those people wey dey praise am now. Meanwhile they be don yab am before they be don drag his name down, they be don make am feel as if he na nothing. And no be lie, my good people. The speculation about Goodluck Jonathan's potential interest in the 2027 presidential race, it don intensify, it don add volume sake of the reports wey dey ground say prominent political figures from the northern part of the nation Nigeria don initiate efforts to draft Goodluck Jonathan into the contest. And no be lie, my good people. You know say that time wey Goodluck Jonathan be dey govern this our green white green country be Nigeria as president, the northerners be no like am at all. Now we be say the northerners don dey push for Goodluck Jonathan to return to presidency. E come make country people come dey raise eyebrow. They come dey be like, e go make sense if this man true come back based on how things now don choco reach for inside the nation Nigeria. And this push now for Goodluck Jonathan to come back is reportedly based on the belief that Goodluck Jonathan dey remain very much eligible to serve another 4-year tenure. And this na because say he be don serve as presidency from the year 2011 to 2015, and by constitution he get another 4 years to rule, because na 8 years na one person fit rule this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. And also there is growing discontent with the leadership of Bola Ahmed Tinubu by the northern elders. That is to say, Many northerners now, they are not happy about our current president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Dat na why they dey push for Oga Goodluck Jonathan to overtake our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu for inside the year 2027. And dis development now, e don in ten sify conversations about other political figures like Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar. Many countrymen don dey wonder how things go be like for Oga Peter Obi wey lose the 2023 general election and is making plans to return to the presidential race for inside the year 2027. Even the former vice president sef wey be Atiku Abubakar, and reports dey ground say these two men now dey form political alliance, dey collabo to make sure say dem defeat our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Dat na why many country people sef come even dey wonder the more. E can't even make them dey on suspense on how things go take play for inside the year 2027 if last Goodluck Jonathan come through contest for presidency. But at the same time, all of us know very well say the future of the People's Democratic Party will be determined for their upcoming National Executive Committee meeting. And this meeting now is very much scheduled. They don already arrange am say e go happen for inside the month of February for inside the year 2025. This meeting now go address the pressing concerns including leadership and litigation issues. Meanwhile, the chairman of the PDP, their governors forum, wey be Governor Bala Mohammed of Bauchi State, he now don drop directive, he now don yarn give the National Working Committee of PDP to make dem make sure say the National Executive Committee meeting last happen for inside February, no more postponing. And based on information wey we gather, my good people, we dey find out say logistical challenges and different agendas, men wey get different plans, na don make the meeting never last happen. Based on say the National Executive Committee meeting, like all previous meetings, now where crucial decisions will be made, na there they go touchlight some kind thing wey dey worry the People's Democratic Party, and there they go take decisions, and there they go iron some kind matter so that everything go work fine. Na there they go decide the future of the party. Na why some kind jagoda men, some kind people wey be say they no wan comot for office, some kind men wey get bad plans, no want make the meeting last happen. This, my good people, na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV. Our hobby na to dey give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na go first receive the update and you go even receive am sharp. I dey come your way again with another legit intel for you, my good people. If you go anywhere, you don't miss am be that. So try as much as possible make you no go anywhere.